Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of DoorDash. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about DoorDash and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the error, so you can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about DoorDash and you can update your app if you will find the update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.